Welcome back. I'm gonna guess you saw the last video about choosing the right 3D printer, but if you haven't, make sure to check it out because we're gonna be giving away this exact printer that I'm about to show you. But today, I'm gonna take you through the process of setting it up all the way up to your first print. So let's get started. Inside the box, you'll find the P1S printer itself, the AMS unit, spool holders, tubing, and cables, tools and spare parts, and of course, instructions. First thing we want to do is remove all the protective foam and tape, and I mean all of it. Seriously, check inside too. The printers ship with internal supports you must remove. The Bambu Lab P1S is a great 3D printer because it removes most of the frustrating parts that normally scare people away from the hobby. Setup is fast, the automatic calibration actually works, and the default print profiles are so well tuned that you usually get great results without spending hours troubleshooting. On top of that, the enclosed design, AMS support, and incredibly fast print speeds give beginners room to grow without immediately feeling like they need to upgrade. It's a printer that genuinely feels like it was designed to let you focus on printing instead of constantly fixing the printer itself. Now that we have the printer unboxed and prepped, let's go ahead and get everything connected. Starting with step 1, make sure it's on a nice stable surface because if the table wobbles, your prints will too, and we don't want that. Then step 2, we get to connect the AMS to the back of the printer. Connect the AMS to the back of the printer. PTFE tubes go from AMS to the printer. Data cable connects here. And power is shared through the unit. The AMS allows you to do multicolor printing and automatic filament switching. It also gives you added benefits such as spool organization and keeping your filaments dry. Now for step 3. All we have to do is plug it in, flip the switch, and let it boot on. Once it's booted up, you'll be greeted with the setup screen. Follow the prompts to connect it to Wi-Fi and Bambu Studio. The P1S does a lot automatically, like calibration. Just run the initial calibration for bed leveling, vibration compensation, and nozzle check. This is the printer basically stretching before a workout. Just let it do its thing with no interruptions. With setup and calibration now complete, let's go ahead and load the filament. Place the spool into a slot, feed the filament into the intake, and the AMS will grab it automatically. Repeat for every additional color you want to add. And quick note, you can get a bunch of different filament options here at Memory Express. Now for the fun part. We're gonna print what's known as a Benchy, because if you can successfully print one of these, you're officially welcome to the 3D printing club. With Bambu Studio loaded, select the printer, the P1S, hit slice, load the Benchy model, choose filament, and make sure it matches what's loaded into your AMS, and send it to printer. When the printer receives the file, it will heat up, do an auto level, purge filament, and start printing. With 3D printing, the first layer is everything, so watch closely. What we're looking for is smooth lines, good adhesion, and no lifting. And there it is, your first print. Not bad, right? You can now tell your friends you own a boat or two. From box to an actual object, you're now 3D printing. Next step, printing things you absolutely don't need. If you came from the previous video, this is exactly why I recommend this printer. It's fast, beginner friendly, and reliable. And once again, if you want to win this exact setup, check out the last video and enter the giveaway. If this video helped you out at all, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And once again, thanks for watching.